Okay, the diesel engine is about to start. Here we go. Diesel engine is about to start. Here we go. About to start. 1, 2, 3. Uh-oh. It's not yet. They're about to start up again. Here we go. Second attempt. Now they have to do the important thing. Here we go. It started. It started not. Let's try that again. Here we go. Oh, it didn't start it. That's strange. The handle has been dropped off. They have to do that again. Unfortunately, they have to try that again. Now they put the handle and they are about to start. Here we go.